Today for the Bitcoin price. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an emergency video. I want to keep it very short, maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes, but you do remember how I talked about this specific scenario yesterday. In fact, if you watched the channel yesterday, I uploaded this video. Today is the day, talking about this exact scenario unfolding, and unfortunately it is unfolding, but this should not come in with any surprise if you're subscribed to the Mmcrypto channel, because I think like one and a half month ago, I actually started taking profits on my big trade, which I want to elaborate on right now. And I want to talk about what the price targets are, because everyone is texting me left and right. Let's talk about it. What you can see here, don't look at the pattern. This is a daily pattern which broke down a few days ago. And we actually confirmed this breakdown on the weekly also yesterday with a Sunday close. And ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we are getting the expected follow through. What I was talking about for the last 2-3 months basically was the moment Bitcoin will close a weekly candle below the EMA ribbon, we will see further downwards movements. And this is exactly what is happening. The reason for this was, of course, that in the last 15 years for Bitcoin, we saw this being a perfect distinction in between bull and bear cycles. Every single time Bitcoin was bouncing from this EMA, perfect continuation of the bull market. Every single time we were closing below, not just this year, not just last year, I'm talking about the previous bull cycle, 2021, 2020, 2017, 16, 2013, 12, every single bull cycle, this was a perfect distinction between bull and bear. And now we closed for the first time in this cycle a weekly candle below, and we are seeing the follow through. People are asking me, what is the price target? Well, the measured move price target, and that is a quite realistic one, and I will elaborate on more bearish ones if it really comes that far, would be 82 to 84,000 US dollars, the measured move price target from this breakdown. And in fact, dear ladies and gentlemen, this would be also in quite good alignment with the next support coming in, the structural support, which we were actually building after the early 2025 breakdown earlier this year. And yes, also, by the way, I don't know if you saw that before I elaborate on my trading strategy and my next steps for Bitcoin, also trading wise. I wanted to remind you, I don't know if you saw that a few hours ago, I uploaded a channel on my health focus channel here, a video on my health focus channel. What you can see here, the number one most dangerous meat in the world. Don't get me wrong, I'm a meat eater, but I am talking about the number one most dangerous one. If you are eating meat every day, or actually at least sometimes like me, you need to watch that video. I will leave you the link down below in the pinned comment. Remember, health is wealth, not just money. You want to focus on your health. Click that video down below. It's a few minutes. It's extremely important to watch, guys. I recorded that actually in an airplane, so it's also quite entertaining. The video is in the pinned comment down below. But yes, I took profits on my trade. Yes, I said that already almost 2 months ago in this specific video. I don't know if you watched it. This trade is right now, I don't know if even if I'm logged in on that phone or on the phone which I'm recording on. Yeah, I'm logged in on the phone which I'm recording on, but I showed it yesterday. I actually took more profits on my trade, now remaining just 4.5 million US dollars, and profits taken already almost 16 million US dollars in total profits. So you can see my conviction in this bearish scenario for a few months already, taking more than 80% of the profits out of this basically 3-year trade, the biggest trade over on YouTube. And yeah, people thought I will never close it, but the time has come, guys. Let me know what you think about that. Do you think we are going further lower or not? Let me know in the comments. I want to join the discussion. I want to know what you are thinking. I shared what I'm thinking. What are you thinking? And do not forget to follow me on the MM Health channel. Link is in the pinned comment down below, and I will be doing some giveaways. You need to be subscribed to the channel if you want to take part there. Now I'm on my way to the airport. I truly love and appreciate every single one of you, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next of Mmcrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.